Clasio leather seat covers for the Toyota Tacoma. Is it worth it? Stay tuned and find out. Hi, this is Matt with Blue Taco Gear. This week's episode, we're going to talk about a major modification to your taco, which is Clasio leather seat covers. So let's take a look at this. I'll talk about how the install goes as well. So I got a whole set of Clasio leather seat covers, and you can see here, this is perforated. And this part right here is actually leather. And then this part is synthetic leather. So just the center part is leather. And you can see here that it perforates all the way back up. Now I like this. This is one of the choices to get it perforated or not. It just makes the leather more breathable and quite frankly stays a little cooler. And then you can see it over here on the passenger side. You can see that. Covers the headrest. They even give you a cover for the compartment there, the center console compartment. So really nice. And then I'll take and show you what it looks like here in the back seat. So full coverage on the back as well, including the back headrest, all covered. And I got to say a couple of things, and you can see here it covers the full back, including pockets. And I got to say, I'm impressed. The quality of the Clasio seat covers and what they look like once they're installed is just top notch. I mean, the thickness of this leather, and I mean, it looks like it belongs. Now, I will tell you that I got black and the dark gray interior. So this is the dark gray color, this is black, and it is almost an exact match for what was in my taco. So it just looks like it belongs. I mean, it looks like it came with the truck. And again, as you know, if you follow the channel, this is a 22 TRD off-road taco. So a little bit about installation. The hardest seat to install is the driver's seat. And I highly recommend that you take the bolts off of the seat to put on the bottom seat cover. And so that's this bolt right here and on the other side. And then if you come over here, I'll show you where it is here. You actually take up these right here, and underneath those are bolts. And then you can tip the seat back and forward. And that's really the easiest way. You may not want to do that, but it really is the easiest way to get the seat cover on to the bottom. You do not need to remove the seat for the passenger seat. That you can do pretty confidently and competently without taking that seat up to put the bottom seat in. And then the backs go in fairly easily. So here's one tip about how you do this. Lay the seat covers out in the sun to kind of get supple before you install them. So do this on a sunny day, set the seat covers out, give them about 20-30 minutes in the sun so they're nice and warm and supple, and then they'll put on and install much easier. Quite frankly, the hardest thing to pack in are these headrests. You might need a buddy and 4 sets of fingers and a lot of elbow grease, but you can get them on, and once you get it done, they just fit like a glove. So pretty expensive mod. I believe these cost me about $700 or so, but well worth it. So appreciate all the viewers and subscribers. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and we like your comments too, so feel free to comment. See you next time.